Hey everyone, this is Johnny CZI. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make visual projectiles in a very fast and proper way. What I mean by proper is the weapon that you're going to be making visual projectiles for is always going to be have its regular dependencies connected to it. Not rocket launcher switch to other things, but the rocket also has less than other weapons. And also what I mean by fast is that you won't have to swap metas and a bunch of other dependency swaps in this one. So for this tutorial you need to go to get shared map, main menu, and map that you want to mod. So you double click, you open up your map, and once you're in there you scroll all the way down to the weapons. Find the rocket launcher. Now right click in the Reflexives window and do clone chunk. Now find the Reflexives where the name is triggers. Select the first rocket projectile. Click copy to clipboard. And then click on X. Then next you have to find the weapon that you want to add projectiles to make them visible. So in this one, I'll be using the Magnum, but you can use any one you want, even the plasmas. So I selected the Magnum, right click, clone chunk in the Reflexives window. Find your triggers, click on the triggers, and do add selected reflexive and chunk. So now the rocket projectile is there. But it also has the effect of the rocket launcher, which you don't want. It's going to make that big weird explosion thing and the sound of the rocket when it shoots. So in most cases you're probably going to want the irregular one. So what you should do is select the reflexive of the Magnum bullet in this case and do copy to clipboard. And down here you go to the rocket launcher reflexive of the bullet and you click overwrite chunk reflexive. And once you go back, you'll see that your rocket launcher has the Magnum effect. So when you shoot out your rocket, it's going to make the Magnum sound in the light. Now you just want to delete the old one because you don't want to use that. So click on the Magnum bullet projectile and click delete reflex chunk. You go back, now all you have is your rocket and your Magnum bullet. Click add meta to map. Wait for that to load. Now that's done. Now you should, since we modified some chunks, we should do fix system link. I got broken indents. Depending by the map, you'll get less of indents, and some of them you'll get more. But in this case I won't change them, but you should change them once you're done this. So in the Reflexives window, do display indents, and you'll see that your Magnum kept all of its regular projectiles. The Magnum kept all of its dependencies, as you can see, but it has the rocket launcher projectile. So you want to swap that for something else to make, and then it'll make it visible, like say a plasma grenade. And also your pistol, your Magnum is going to shoot as fast as a rocket launcher, so you might want to change that in a program like H2X. It's really good for weapons. So now that you're done that, you can just sign FTP or do whatever else you want. This is Johnny CZI showing you how to make visual projectiles in a very fast way and proper way. And to have more tutorials and videos, go to masterlegit.tk for more. See ya.